What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be trying out the new Call of Duty mobile application. Now this game just came out today, so we're going to go ahead and test this out on the new iPad 7th generation for 2019. A lot of you are going to be getting this for Christmas, maybe for your birthday, or maybe for some other holiday. Not 100% sure, but I'm going to be showing you how this game plays on the iPad 7th generation. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I've been having a really fun time with this game so far. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it and just basically go ahead and start a quick match. Been really liking this game so far. Tested this on the iPhone 11 and it ran fantastic. So I'm hoping this is going to run the same on here. But yeah, it looks like we have some of the favorite maps that we had from, Call of Duty MW2. We have maps from Black Ops. As you guys see right here, I think this map is from Black Ops 2 as well. But we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'm also pretty sure you can move the controls around. I have really big hands, so I don't think I'm going to have an issue. But let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, so we got a kill right there. So far, the graphics look really good, especially for $329 tablet. We're on our third kill right there. This is definitely a playable game on this tablet. If you guys did not see that already, we're already in our first kill streak right there. Really liking this game so far though. Really like this game. I believe you can also unlock like clans at level 5, which is pretty cool. And then this also has a battle royale mode, which I thought was really awesome as well. Let's go ahead and use our kill streaks currently. Shut down this team though. Come on, bud. Oh, there's a guy right here. That's not good. And I'm out of ammo. Let's go ahead and use this grenade. Stab him. Okay, so we have the kill streak right here. Anyone else? Okay, we got him over here. First death right there. First death right there. But this has been playing really good so far, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and try to get a few more kills. And obviously the speakers on this as well are really good on the iPad. So you guys are going to have a really good listening experience. I feel like most of you are going to be using headphones, so there's that as well. But definitely a really good tablet to play this game on. Let's go ahead and turn this up a little bit. Triple kill right there. I also like how when you shoot, it aims in automatically like this. Really cool right there. Is this dude like invincible? Oh yeah, he just that sucks. I definitely feel like I'm playing with bots. I don't know why, but I feel like the same way with PUBG. Literally get like 30 kills in a row without dying. I'm not sure if everyone's new to this game or something, but I feel like everyone is like a bot on this game. Not 100% sure though. Pretty sure you can also set up a controller on this and you can actually go beast mode on people. Awesome, so we got the victory right there. Game ran perfectly. The iPad did not heat up whatsoever, so that's a really good sign. Game runs great. Game definitely runs very good. Alright, so we're upgrading to level 4, but looks like we did pretty good. This game's really fun. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, it's going to be in any app store that you have currently, Android or Apple. So definitely go ahead and check this game out and give it a play. Really enjoyed this. If you guys did enjoy this video and it helped you out at all, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.